Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to the Diecast Dad. In front of us, we have a Honda CRX. And well, today we're going to be LS swapping it with the twin-turboed LS limited grip. We're going to be cutting it up and making a custom. So let's get to it. All right, so let's get to drilling these cars out and get this project started. All right, we got our cars drilled out, so we're going to take them apart. And throw them in the citrus strip. All right, so now while our bodies are in the stripper, we can work on the interior. Obviously, we're going to need the turbos from the limited grip. And we're going to need the radiator. And this would fit in there like so. So we're going to cut the back of this off. And the back end of the CRX. Then we're going to glue them together so we have one solid piece. All right, so we got everything cut and mocked up. This is pretty much the look we're going for. Like I said, we need the radiator though. So in order to do that, I'm going to probably do what I did on our rat shaker and cut the bottom, cut the base and glue them together. So probably just cut somewhere around here and somewhere around there and glue them together. So I'll do that and get everything glued up and then I'll come back. All right, so we got everything cut and glued together. And I wanted a matching set of wheels, so I had to cut the axle and put in an axle tube. I just used these rubber sleeve from a paper clip. So I just cut it and then pulled the sleeve off. Here's what we got so far. So far we got a roller. Alright guys, so as you see, I got a little ahead of myself when I took it out of the stripper. I went ahead and cut the front end off of the limited grip. So I have another one here. I cut along the front quarter panel right behind it. So Everything is lining up and looking good. While I was waiting for the cars in the stripper, I went ahead and detailed the turbos, and I painted this front bar that was like the front bumper on the limited grip was just black. I painted it with the metallic blue. I'm probably gonna paint the back bumper just black. Probably detail the exhaust. But we're gonna cut the front end off of the CRX. And get it together. So I'm gonna cut that and then I'll show you what it looks like mocked up. All right, guys, so after I mocked it up, I kind of got into it and forgot to turn the camera back on and give you guys an update. But we got it all together, and that's where we joined the front end of the limited grip and the CRX. So still got to clean that up a little bit better. But and the paint on this bar here came off a little bit, but that's all right. We're gonna repaint it anyways and do details. So there it is. Here's the front end of the CRX, and you can actually probably put this on there. So it'll pretty much look like GMC Sonoma. That's pretty cool. Definitely have to find a use for these parts. But there's the build. We made a twin turbo LS swapped CRX. So once I paint it, I'll probably just post a short of it. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching as always. See you on the next one.